how to update Roblox on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can update the Roblox application on our phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to update the Roblox app on your phone, all you have to do is just head over to your app store over here and also make sure that you're connected to the internet. Right, once you make sure you're connected to the internet, if you see install button, it means that the Roblox app is not installed, so you might want to install it. And the only thing that you can do while updating is only if you see an update button. So only if you see an update button, you might want to make sure to tap on it in order to update it to the latest version. You might want to update it because you could be having some bugs. Now, instead of install or instead of update, if it says open, it means that your Roblox app is already installed as well as also updated to the latest version. So in that case, you don't really have to do anything because it means it's already updated if you don't see the update button. So hope this video helped you as to how you can update Roblox on phone. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.